In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the font changer plugin. We'll walk through a quick and reliable process to locate the font changer and get it applied to your project. Even if you're new to the interface, this will feel straightforward by the end. Start by opening the action icon. This is the entry point for tools and shortcuts, and it's usually found at the top or side of your workspace. It may look like a lightning bolt, a gear, or a small grid depending on your theme, but the moment you click it, a panel or drawer will appear with options you can search and explore. If you don't see it right away, look for the icon that opens your global actions or command menu. With the action panel open, use the search field and type font changer. Searching is the fastest way to get exactly where you need to go, and the system will surface anything related to fonts with that keyword. Make sure the spelling is correct, and keep an eye out for an item labeled Fonts Changer or Font Changer. If your workspace filters results, the search will narrow down available tools that match your access level. Next, head to the Plugins and Widgets area. This is where integrations and add-on tools live, and it's the home of the Font Changer. You can think of plugins and widgets as a library of features you can turn on when you need them. Opening this section will show you available components organized by function, and the font changer should appear in that list based on your search. When you see Fonts Changer, click it to open its page. You'll typically see a short description explaining what it does. Apply or manage font styles across your interface or project. This is a great moment to confirm you've selected the correct tool. If the tool offers any notes or compatibility information, give it a quick glance so you know what to expect. Finally, choose Save or Run. Save is best when you want to keep the configuration in place and apply it as part of your setup. Run is ideal if you want to execute it immediately. After you click, the system may display a brief status message or confirmation. Give it a moment to complete and avoid closing the window until it finishes. That's it. Action icon, search for Font Changer, go to Plugins and Widgets, click Fonts Changer, then choose Save or Run. If search doesn't show results, double check spelling and permissions. Otherwise, you're good to go and your